Hi everybody, my name is Dikeledi Radebe and I study electrical engineering. I'm currently a qualified electrical technologist, by profession working as a resident engineer, and I'm going to take you through some questions that hopefully by the end of it you'll be able to understand exactly the profession that I'm into and be able to consider yourself possibly joining it. What are the minimum admission requirements? Well, electrical engineering has a lot to do with science and maths. So that would basically be your number one go-to requirements. You have to have maths and science, and obviously English, because you have to be able to represent yourself. An admission of 50%, and I believe now it's a level with an equivalent of level 4. Second question is, which institutions or company offered the course? Well, there are a number of institutions that you can choose the route to go to. You can basically choose to go to University of Technology or your traditional university, or you can also choose an FET route. I myself went to a University of Technology, namely Central University of Technology, but there are many others that you can choose to do the course in. You can go to CPUT, you can go to University of Pretoria, or you can go to TUT to do the course, or UJ. There are a lot of them and a number of FET colleges that you can choose to. It will just differ in levels of qualification that you acquire in those different institutions. How long does it take for you to get employed after completing your training? Personally, I think it differs from person to person, but I myself, it took me around about 6 months. When I completed my theoretical training, I had to do my in-service training, and that was a little bit of a struggle. I ended up doing my in-service training 6 months after I completed my theoretical one, but I can promise you now that I was never unemployed after that. It's a very employable career, and I've been employed ever since, and now I'm working for one of the top consulting companies. Fourth question. Question number 4, give us a brief description of your day at work. Well, my department is structured in different levels or different portfolios. We have people that work in the office that you will find your typical design engineers, and we have site people, we have drafts people as well. Well, typically my day, I normally work on projects, so my typical day will be me driving to site in the morning and liaising with the contractors on site and looking over what has been done the previous day and the milestone that we've reached over the week, and planning for the next week, and joining people on site that are already working and trying to inspect all the works done for the day and ensuring that everything has been done according to specifications set out by the engineer himself. So typically that's my day in, unless there are special requirements and day-to-day meetings, normal meetings with liaising with the clients, and ensuring that all the safety requirements are adhered to and everybody sticks to their mandate for the day. Question 5, what's your motto in life, or words that you would share with a grade 12 learner, or favorite Bible verse? I'll definitely go for a Bible verse. My favorite Bible verse is Philippians 4 verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That is my motto. If I can do it, you can do it. If the next person can do it, everybody can do it. As long as you have God by your side, you can achieve anything you put your mind to. Thank you.